I wake up early. Time to wake up. I wake up early. Good morning. I drink milk in the morning. It's good for me. Every morning. I go to the park. I go to the park. I go to park. I go to park. I open the door. Now I can go outside. I close the door. Time to go. I make breakfast. Flipping the pancake. One more flip. Breakfast is ready. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Grandma, it's so good to see you. Hello, my dear. You look wonderful. I missed you so much, Grandma. I missed you too. Let's meet again soon. I write in my notebook. 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 I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I get on bus. I sit on sofa. I sit on sofa. I sit on sofa. I sit on sofa. I go to the pharmacy. I pick a medicine box. I walk to the counter. I place it on the counter. That's my daily activity. I buy some medicine. I buy some medicine. I buy some medicine. I buy some medicine. I feel toothache. I need this medicine. Relief. I ride bicycle. Whee, so fun. Keep going. Yay. I am happy. Yes, so happy. Whee, twirling. I feel so happy. I buy mangoes. These look so good. One more for my basket. Yay, so many mangoes. I comb my hair. It keeps my hair neat. Combing feels good. I do it every day. I cook rice. Stir it slowly. The rice is cooking. It smells good.